If your Google search ads aren't driving the sales that you want, it's almost always because the campaign setup and structure are way off. Most store owners make the same mistake, throwing too many keywords into one campaign or one ad group and hoping for the best. Here's the truth. That strategy won't get you the best results. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact framework that our top e-com brands use to organize and optimize their search ads. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with a rule that we follow for every e-com store that we manage. Branded keywords are in their own campaign always. Why? Because branded traffic doesn't act like cold traffic. These people already know your store, your brand, and they're just one step away from buying. So you want full control over your budget and your bids for branded traffic, separate from non-branded. Think about it. Someone searching for your brand name is not the same as someone searching for a product like organic skincare serum. Separate campaigns let you manage budgets precisely and get clearer insights into what's working. That's the foundation that you really need to scale your campaigns with clarity. Now, let's talk about ad groups. This is where you either win or waste your budget. Every campaign breaks down into ad groups, but not every ad group performs the same. Too many store owners lump broad themes like summer clothing together. They wonder why their ads don't work. The truth is, broad ad groups kill your relevancy and waste money. You've got to make your ad groups laser focused, each one about a single product or product category, like breezy linen dresses, cotton tank tops, and wide brim sun hats. This isn't some technical detail. It's your chance to speak directly to what your customers are searching for. When your ads and landing pages match exactly what people are searching for, Google rewards you with a higher quality score. That means lower cost per click and more conversions for your store. So get this right first. Specific, relevant, tightly themed ad groups are the foundation for scaling your Google search campaigns without wasting your budget. Okay, here's a mistake we see all the time when we audit e-com store accounts. Stuffing 10, 15, even 20 or more keywords into one ad group. Don't do that. It muddies up your targeting and makes optimization slower and less effective. You'll end up wasting your budget on terms that should have been paused days ago. Instead, here's what we recommend and what we use when we manage Google Ads accounts for e-commerce stores. One ad group containing only phrase match keywords that all refer to the same product or product theme. That's it. For example, ad group, breezy linen dresses. Keyword, breezy linen dresses. Linen dresses, breezy style. Breezy summer linen dress. Now you might be thinking, isn't that too narrow? Not at all. Each phrase match keyword can still trigger hundreds of relevant searches based on Google's smart matching. In fact, in one of our clients' accounts, we found that one phrase match keyword matched 400 different highly relevant, high intent searches. So you're not eliminating traffic, you're eliminating noise. And more importantly, you're giving Google a crystal clear signal. What you get is cleaner reporting, higher ad relevance, better quality scores, and way more control over your campaign's performance. Okay, now here's what most store owners don't realize. When you cram all these different keywords and themes into one ad group, you end up having to create a very generic ad. You also send everybody to the same landing page, even if what they searched was completely different. For example, someone searches for breezy linen dresses, but your ad leads them to a general summer clothing page. That shopper's gonna bounce fast, and that kills your relevance, your click-through rate, and more importantly, your conversions. So here's what we do instead. We treat each ad group like a mini sales pitch, built around one product theme and one customer intent. It's not just a cleaner setup, it's a more profitable one. Remember, more keywords don't mean better performance. It's one clear theme per ad group that drives clarity, relevance, and real results. By the way, if you want to dive deeper in how we do keyword research for our clients, I've got a full tutorial on how we do this. I'll leave a link down below. So now, once you've got your keyword and your landing page dialed in, don't just lump everything into one ad. Make sure to write 2 or more responsive search ads per ad group. Your headlines need to match exactly what people are searching for. If your keyword is minimalist leather crossbody bag, your ads need to say exactly that without any vague wording. And your landing pages should match that perfectly. This kind of precision isn't optional. It's what boosts your quality score, lifts your click-through rate, and drives real conversions. Top campaigns don't leave this to chance. They lock in relevance at every step in the process and turn those clicks into real sales. By the way, this video is actually part of our Google search series, made just for e-com store owners just like you. We break down everything you need to set up and optimize your search campaigns for your e-commerce store, I'll leave a link to the full playlist down below, so go and check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.